Mazda's Bluetooth connectivity is managed through the Mazda Connect infotainment system, which serves as the central hub for all your device connections and communication features. The system supports multiple device profiles, including audio streaming, hands-free calling, and phone book access, allowing you to seamlessly connect phones, tablets, and other Bluetooth devices. However, users commonly experience Bluetooth connectivity issues. These include intermittent disconnections, pairing failures with newer iOS and Android versions, and problems managing multiple connected devices. To resolve these connectivity problems, Mazda provides 3 different levels of Bluetooth resets, each designed for specific types of issues with varying success rates. As of 2025, Mazda continues to improve its Bluetooth system with enhanced stability and faster pairing protocols. Newer models from 2022 onwards receive over-the-air updates that can automatically resolve many connectivity issues without manual intervention. There are 2 main methods to reset Bluetooth in your Mazda: a quick device reset for individual problems and a complete system reset for persistent issues. The quick device reset method resolves most common Bluetooth connection problems by removing and repairing a specific device. First, access your infotainment screen and navigate to Settings, then select Communication to find Bluetooth options. In the Bluetooth menu, find the problematic device and select Forget or Delete to remove it from your car's memory. On your phone, forget the Mazda system in Bluetooth settings. For Android devices, clear the Bluetooth cache. For iPhone users, reset network settings to clear all Bluetooth data. Finally, make your phone discoverable and initiate pairing from your car's Bluetooth menu to establish a fresh connection. For persistent Bluetooth problems affecting multiple devices, a complete system reset returns all settings to factory defaults. Navigate through your infotainment system to Settings, then System, and finally select Master Reset option. The system will prompt for a PIN code, typically 0000 or 1234. Remember that this reset will unpair all connected devices, requiring you to set up each one again. After the reset, your system will restart with factory Bluetooth settings. You'll need to repair all devices, but this method has a 96% success rate for resolving persistent connectivity issues. Modern wireless, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay are reducing the need for traditional Bluetooth pairing.